All right, now welcome and see. You see, we have 16 massive and we have 10. This is height, this is length. So you can see it is big. Now you can see big. It has become, we have resized. We have made it to appear huge. Okay? And this is what we were aiming for when we said we want to use figure, and the figure here, it allows us to resize our chart, either to become it huge or to become it smaller. Then if you say 5, you can make it as small as 5 and as small as 3. And when you run, this is something small, you know. So it's upon you to check. The height is the width is 5 and height is 3. So you can see everything how we can resize it. Now now what is remaining is, now we have known how to resize and how to shrink or reduce, increase and reduction of the chart. Now what we need to know also is about labeling this x-axis and also labeling this y-axis. This is actually the y-axis and this is the x-axis. Now to label this, we are going to meet with you next time.